guys, Stephanie here. I'll pay attention to I figured that I could make a video about bullying since, yeah. Okay, so, past week, it's been a really hard week since I get bullied every day, and, yeah, not as fun. Okay, I'm not gonna make a big deal about it. Like, I know so many people that make such a big deal about it. It's not that big a deal. I'm just saying if it's urgent or something, like if they talk about family or stuff like that, I can shut them out. Yeah, maybe it's better. I'm sure people that bully you are just jealous of you. Just people that call me fat, I really press you and stuff like that. I get hurt, I really do, but it's not, I don't get hurt enough to like make a big deal about it. I mean, I get really upset for like the whole day and stuff, but I'm always depressed because of it. But yeah. So just, you're not alone if you get bullied. And if you are a bully and watching this, get over yourself, grow up, and just know if you're getting bullied, don't do anything back. Don't bully the person back. Learn that the hard way. But yeah, just be the better person, and yeah, bye guys.